The moment you see this stunning 2027 Glossy solar-powered camper, Tricycle, tiny home rolling down the road, it honestly feels like the future has finally arrived. Imagine a sleek three-wheel machine mixed with a luxury tiny house, covered in reflective glossy panels that shine under the sunlight like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. But here's the crazy part. This tiny camper isn't just beautiful. It's fully powered by the sun. And trust me, once you step inside, you'll understand why people are calling this one of the smartest tiny homes ever created. From the outside, the camper already looks unbelievable. The aerodynamic body gives it a futuristic vibe, while the polished metallic finish makes it look premium from every angle. Every curve feels carefully designed, not just for style, but also for efficiency. Mounted across the roof are high-efficiency solar panels that quietly collect energy all day long, turning sunlight into real freedom on the road. No laudenias. No expensive fuel stops every few hours. Just clean energy powering a home you can literally take anywhere. And because this is built on a tricycle platform, it stays surprisingly compact and lightweight. That means it can travel through narrow roads, campsites, beach paths, forest trails, and places larger RVs could never even dream of reaching. It's the perfect mix of adventure and simplicity. But wait until you see the inside. The moment the side door slides open, the camper completely changes your expectations of what a tiny home should feel like. Instead of looking cramped, the interior feels cozy, modern, and incredibly smart. Soft ambient lighting reflects off the glossy walls, creating a warm, futuristic atmosphere that instantly feels relaxing. Right near the entrance, there's a compact lounge area with comfortable seating that transforms into a sleeping space at night. Large panoramic windows surround the cabin, letting natural light flood the interior during the day while giving you unbelievable views wherever you park. Imagine waking up beside a mountain lake, opening the windows, and hearing nothing except birds and wind while your home quietly charges itself through solar energy. That's the lifestyle this camper promises. And somehow, despite its compact size, the storage solutions are genius. Hidden compartments are built into almost every corner. Under the seats, above the cabinets, even beneath the flooring. Everything has its place. You could easily pack clothes, cooking gear, camera equipment, and travel essentials for long adventures without feeling crowded. Then comes the mini kitchen setup, and honestly, it's impressive. There's a small induction. Now here's where things get even more interesting. The roof doesn't just collect energy. It also works as a smart energy management system. During sunny days, excess solar power gets stored inside advanced battery packs hidden underneath the floor. That stored energy can then run the lighting, fans, charging ports, kitchen appliances, and even a small climate control system during nighttime. So technically, this camper tiny home can operate almost completely off-grid. Think about that for a second. No hotel bookings, no monthly rent, no dependency on crowded cities. Just you, the open road, and a fully mobile solar-powered home. And let's talk about the driving experience, because this thing turns heads everywhere it goes. The silent electric motor gives it a smooth, futuristic ride, while the three-wheel design keeps it agile and easy to maneuver. Whether cruising through urban streets or exploring countryside roads, the camper feels more like an adventure machine than a traditional RV. People literally stop and stare when it passes by. Some think it's a concept vehicle from the future. Others think it's a luxury art piece on wheels. But it's actually a real working tiny home. And honestly, that's what makes it so fascinating. This camper represents something bigger than just transportation. It represents freedom in a world where housing costs keep rising every year. More people are starting to realize they don't need massive homes filled with unnecessary things to feel happy. Sometimes all you really need is a comfortable space, the ability to travel, and the freedom to wake up somewhere new whenever you want. That's exactly why tiny homes like this are exploding in popularity. But this 2027 version pushes the idea even further by combining sustainability, technology, mobility, and luxury into one incredibly compact package. It's efficient without feeling cheap, futuristic without losing comfort, small without feeling limiting. And at night, this glossy camper transforms into something even more magical. The soft LED lighting underneath the body gives it an almost floating appearance, while the reflective exterior mirrors the city lights or stars above. Parked beside a beach or deep in the mountains, it genuinely looks like a tiny spaceship designed for adventure. Honestly, it's hard not to imagine yourself living this lifestyle. Traveling endlessly, saving money, exploring hidden places, living sustainably, and carrying your entire home behind 3 futuristic wheels. The future of tiny living might not be giant RVs or expensive smart apartments. It might actually look exactly